In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz on Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to install a quiz tool, build your questions, make it look on brand, set up results, and publish it live to your site. Let's get started right inside your Wix workspace. First, open the Wix editor. Sign into your account, head to My Sites, choose the website you want to work on, and click Edit Site. This takes you into the drag and drop editor where you'll do all your building and styling. Next, open the Wix App Market. On the left-hand panel, click Apps, then choose App Market. In the search bar, type Quiz. You'll see a range of options to fit different needs, from simple forms to fully featured quiz builders. Now choose a quiz app. If you want something basic to collect answers quickly, a simple forms-based option can be enough. If you need scoring, correct answers, or more interactivity, look for a dedicated quiz maker or interactive builder. Check the app descriptions, previews, and pricing to make sure it matches your goals. When you're ready, click Add to Site and follow any prompts to complete the install. After the app is added, create your quiz. Click the quiz element that appears on your page, then open its settings or dashboard. Add your questions and choose the best format for each one, such as multiple choice, true or false, or short answer. Most quiz tools let you include images to illustrate questions, assign points, and mark correct answers for automatic scoring. Keep each question clear and concise, and use point values that reflect difficulty for a more accurate result. Next, customize the quiz design so it fits your brand. In the quiz settings, adjust colors, fonts, layout, and button styles. If the app offers a progress bar, turn it on to help participants see how far they've gotten. Aim for strong contrast and readable font sizes, and take a moment to check spacing so everything looks clean on desktop and mobile. Then set up your results. Many quiz apps let you display a final score, personalized feedback, or recommendations. Configure the messages participants will see at the end, such as your result, beginner level, and tailor any explanations so they're helpful and encouraging. When everything looks good, publish the quiz. Click Publish in the Wix editor to push your changes live. Visit your live site as a guest to test the full flow, confirm scoring works, and ensure the design feels consistent. That's it, your Wix quiz is ready for visitors to enjoy.